Hi children, how are you? I hope you are fine. Okay, welcome to English video class. This is Jyoti. We are in supplementary reader no children. So I taught you first lesson, second lesson also no children, third lesson also completed for us. So let us go to fourth lesson children. The title of the lesson is Cop and the Anthem. The Cop and the Anthem. Okay, this was written by O. Henry. Do you know O. Henry? He's a great poet, no children. So Cop and Anthem. Cop means police. Yes, police. Another name is cop. Let us see what is this cop and anthem. Okay, children. I'm asking you one question. Have you ever found a situation in which what happened was the opposite of what you expected? Sometimes you expect something, but something opposite happened to you. Have you seen those? Do you have those experiences, children? So have you ever found a situation in which what happened was the opposite of what you expected? We expect something, but happened the opposite. So in this lesson also, something happened to the main character of this story. Okay, he expected something, but happened the opposite. Every time, full lesson, he expected something, children, in this story, but everything happened to him was the opposite. So let us see what is that. Okay, children. So Soapy. Do you know the name of that person? Soapy, children. Soapy plays a very important role in this lesson, the cop and the anthem. Okay, let us see about Soapy, children. Soapy. So Soapy means nothing but, yes, in the picture you can see Soapy. Soapy is a homeless, jobless man. Yes, do you know this, children? Soapy is a homeless man. He doesn't have a home, children. He is not able to live in a house. Okay, and he is a jobless man. Okay, without job means, yes, definitely without house. So he is an orphan. Okay, he is not having parents or anyone. So that's why he is a homeless man and also jobless man. Okay, Soapy lives in a park. Do you know where do he live? He lives in a park, children. He lives in a park in Madison Square. Madison Square means it's a place. Okay, it's a very important place, children. So Soapy lives in a park in Madison Square, children. He lives comfortably in all seasons in the park except winter season. Yes, in the summer season he lives very comfortably in his park. Okay, in the rainy season also okay somewhat, but in the winter season he is not able to live happily in the park, children. Why? Because winter, it's very cold and it is a foreign country, so it's very cold. That's why he's not able to find happily in the winter season, children. So he lives comfortably in all seasons except except winter season. He decides to take rest in a prison in the winter season. Remember this, children. So that's why he wants to take rest in the prison, in the jail. So that's why he thought that if I go to prison means there I can live happily in this winter season. Okay, I'll have free bed, free food. So I can live comfortably in the jail. So he thought of doing that. So Soapy is a homeless man and is a jobless man. He lives happily in a park, children. Yes, this is his seat. He lives in a seat. Okay, night time he wants to take newspapers like a blanket and he wants to sleep there only in this bench. So he lives comfortably in all seasons in the park except winter season. He decides to take rest in a prison in the winter season. So his plan is to go to prison in the winter season, children. That is his plan. Okay. And you know, in this park there are some signs of approaching winter season. Yes, there are some signs. He understood that winter season had come. So he understood that yes, it was the winter season. How? Because of these signs, children. Do you know what are the signs? Birds begin to fly south. Birds are going to south side. And people want new warm coats. People are taking their coats out. Okay, up to now they are with a shirt and yes, trouser. But now they want coats. They are buying new warm coats, children. And the dead leaves covered the ground. In the ground, the park was full of dead leaves. So one leaf also fell on his feet. So that's why he understood that yes, it was the winter season. So this approaching winter made Soapy restless. So he was thinking, oh my god, now it was the winter season. So I want to go to somewhere because I had no home. And also he had no home and no warm clothes. Okay, he is having one torn coat only. Okay, this was already torn. So he had no home and no warm clothes. So he hoped to find a comfortable lodging for the winter. He wants a lodging. Okay, a comfortable lodging for the winter season. He hoped to spend winter 3 months in the prison on Blackwell's Island. So he's thinking of a plan. He's hoping to spend his winter 3 months in the prison, children, in the jail. Okay, do you know what is the place? Blackwell's Island. Blackwell's Island is it's a jail, children. It's a prison. So his plan is to go to that place. So he decided to go to that prison, children. I'll show you that prison also. He decides that he needs to get into a prison for 3 months on Blackwell's Island. This is the Blackwell's Island. So he decided to go there to take rest. Okay, he wants to be comfortable in that jail for 3 months, children. Then he could get a bed every night. Yes or no? In the jail, definitely he will get a bed and food also for 3 months, and also be safe from cops. So he would be safe from the police. So for years, Blackwell's Island had been his home. Do you know this, children? Every year he used to go to that jail for 3 months on this winter season. Okay, every year he used to go to Blackwell's Island. So for years, many years onwards, Blackwell's Island had been his home. Okay, he's living there only for 3 months on Blackwell's Island. He's doing something and he's going to the prison for 3 months. So every year he's going here. This Blackwell's Island had been his home for so many years onwards. So he decides that he needs to go to prison for 3 months on Blackwell's Island. Why? Because he could get a bird every night and also food. Okay, food for 3 months freely. And he would be safe from the police or from anyone. Okay, so he wants to find his comfortable seat there. So for years, Blackwell's Island had been his home, children. Okay, do you understand this? So now our Soapy wants to go to jail. Yes or no? Yes. So Soapy's plans to go to the prison. Now he is having some plans, children. He is planning something. He is planning. So why? Because to go to the prison. He had been to prison several times with that purpose. So he had been his own ideas, plans to go to the prison. He made several attempts to go to the prison, children. So once again he made his small plans for going to the Blackwell's Island. See, so many years onwards he is going there only. He had that Blackwell's Island had been his home only for so many years onwards. So he used to go to there only. So this year also he is planning, he is making some attempts to go to the prison. Okay, so let us see what are his plans. So first plan, children. Yes, first plan. What is the first plan? Do you know, children? He is making first plan to go to Blackwell's Island, to go to the prison, to go to the jail. So first plan is dine in an expensive restaurant. So his first plan is that he wants to go to an expensive restaurant. Okay, costly restaurant, and he wants to eat there, and he doesn't want to pay bill. So that's where definitely they will send him to prison. That is his first plan. So Soapy walks from Madison Square, that means from his park, to the place where the great street called Broadway and Fifth Avenue meet. See, there are main streets in that place, Broadway and Fifth Avenue. So these two streets meet. In that, there is one nice restaurant, children. There he stopped at a brightly lighted restaurant. It was brightly lighted restaurant. It was a great restaurant. It's an expensive restaurant. So this was where best food and the best people in their best clothes appeared every evening. Do you know? Evening time this restaurant works, and every costly people only go there. Food was excellent. Best food and the best people only go there. Okay, everything was expensive, children. So the first plan of Soapy was to go to he wants to go to this expensive restaurant, so where the best food will be available and the best people and with the best clothes will be there only. So he wants to go there. Okay children, so let us see whether his plan works or not. Unluckily, the head waiter saw his broken old shoes while he was entering the restaurant. Okay children, he is hoping to go to that restaurant, but what happened, head waiter asked him to wait there only. Why? Because his shoes were torn. Okay, broken old shoes. He wore his broken old shoes. That old shoes were broken and were torn already. So that's why the head waiter stopped him from entering the restaurant. He quietly but quickly put him out. He said that no, you don't have right to go inside because you are not with good clothes. Okay, and also your shoes were also torn and broken. So that's why the head waiter did not allow him to the restaurant. So his first plan was failed children. So tell me, what is the first plan? He wants to dine in an expensive restaurant. So he walks from Madison Square to the place where the great street called Broadway and Fifth Avenue meet. So he went to a great street. There he stopped at a brightly lighted restaurant. This was where best food will be available and best people in their best clothes appeared every evening. So he went there. But what happened? Unluckily, the head waiter saw his broken old shoes while he was entering the restaurant. So unluckily, the head waiter stopped him. He quietly but quickly put him out. He asked him to get out. So his plan was failed. So he did not enter the restaurant. So his plan was failed. First plan was failed children. So let us see his second plan. What was his second plan? Why was he planning all this? Because he wants to go to Blackwell's Island, that is the jail. He wants to go to the jail and he wants to take rest for 3 months in that jail because this was winter season. Okay, so at a corner of 6th Avenue, he wants to he waits at the 6th Avenue corner children. That is his second plan. Let us see what is the second plan. There was a shop with a wide glass window bright with electric lights. Do you know children? His second plan was he waited. He went to a 6th Avenue street. Okay, in the corner there was a wide glass window. There was a shop children. The shop was with full wide glass window and with bright lights, electric lights children. So Soapy stopped there and he took up a big stone children. He took a big stone and broke the glass. Okay, what was his plan children? So he went to a 6th Avenue street. There he stopped there and he saw a glass window, very big shop. He saw there one wide glass window children. He took a stone and he broke the glass. Then people came running. All people came running. There was a cop also. Do you know there was a police also there? So what happened? Soapy admitted breaking the glass. Okay, Soapy is acting. Yes, he is acting with that stone only. Okay, he wants to show himself to the cop. But what happened? But the cop's mind would not consider Soapy. But cop is not considering Soapy, you know, because men who break windows or glasses do not stop there to talk to cops. People generally break the glasses and they will run away, no children. So cop also thinks that, so those who broke the glass already ran away. So he's another one. He is also like me only. He's just looking me. So men who break glasses or windows do not stop there to talk to cops. They won't stop there to talk to police. So they run away as fast as they can. Yes or no children? Yes, people. Those who broke glasses or windows, definitely they will run away. So thus the plan of reaching the prison also failed. So the cop did not consider our Soapy as yes, he himself did that. So that's why what happened, cop did not arrest him. He's telling that, sir, I only broke this glass with this stone. But the cop is not considering him. Cop is not listening that. Cop is thinking that that police is thinking that someone already he broke that glass with that stone and he went away. So that's why he did not arrest him. He thought that no, he was not Soapy and he did not arrest him. So that's why the second plan was also failed children. So first plan was dine in a restaurant. That means he went to a restaurant. He wants to eat in an expensive restaurant, but that plan was failed because that head waiter allowed him to just stopped him. Okay, but the second plan was to take a big stone. He took a stone and he wants to break the glass window. He already broke the glass window, but the police thought that he was not the criminal. That man already went away, so he did not arrest Soapy. Okay, so the second plan also failed, children. Okay, now third plan, children. Do you know what was the third plan? So third plan was he went to a restaurant. So he goes to a restaurant, children. That is his third plan. So Soapy entered another restaurant. Okay, he went to another restaurant, children. He was allowed inside in the restaurant. Okay, because this restaurant was not that expensive, that's why he was allowed inside the restaurant. He went there. He was able to get food. He ordered some food, children. So they came that waiter also brought some food. After that, he announced that he had no money. He had eaten all the food. After that, he announced that he had no money. Okay, so he had no money. He announced that. What happened? He himself requested the waiter to call the cop, and he told, okay, I had no money, please call the police. I will go to the prison, so please call the police. Instead, the head waiter threw him out on the hot street outside. But the head waiter did not call the police. They they threw him out. With the help of another waiter, two waiters they threw him outside. They did not call the police or they did not send to the jail. Instead that, they just threw him out. So that his plan to reach the Blackwell's Island did not work. So the third plan also failed, children. He thought that he would eat full and then he would say that no money. So they will arrest him. But what happened? No, they threw him out. They did not call the police. They did not arrest him. Okay, so his third plan also failed, children. Okay, now first plan failed, second plan failed, third plan also failed. Now see what happened. Now a sudden fear caught Soapy. So he was getting some frightened. He was frightened, children. Okay, why? I'm thinking of so many plans, but no one is arresting me. Whether I'll go to that jail or not, he was frightening. No cop was going to arrest him, no police was going to arrest him. He thought of something else to try. Okay, he was thinking, I want to try something, I want to do something. He was planning something. Okay, let us see fourth plan, children. He was planning something, so he had another plan, children. So now what happened? Next, he behaves as he was drunk. Now fourth plan was he just behaves as a drunkard. Do you know drunkard? Okay, he thought of he's planning that he behaves as he was drunk. So he came to a cop. He just came in front of a police standing in front of big theater. That police was standing in front of a big theater. So he came there. He began to shout. Okay, our Soapy was shouting as he had too much to drink. Okay, he was acting like he had already drunken and he was shouting there. The cop turned his back on Soapy. The cop turned and saw him. Okay, he was Soapy. He said to someone, okay, the cop is telling to someone that, okay, it is one of the college boys. Okay, he's pointing that Soapy and telling that he is nothing but he is one of the college boys. Okay, he won't hurt anything. They won't hurt anyone. Okay, they have orders already. Government already have some orders, given them some orders to let them shout. Okay, they can shout, they can enjoy. Okay, they have the right to enjoy and shout also. So the cop was referring to Soapy and as a college boy. The cop was telling to someone that he was nothing but a college boy. Okay, so he did not arrest him. So I won't arrest him because he was a college boy. College boys already have some orders from the government. Okay, they can shout, they can enjoy because this was the theater. They will watch the movie and they will enjoy because he is their favorite actor. So they can enjoy. Let them enjoy, let them shout. So he did not arrest him. So children, his fourth plan was also failed. So first plan was to go to restaurant, expensive restaurant. That plan was failed, children. Second plan, see children, let us see second plan. Second plan, yes, he wants to go to corner of 6th Avenue, children. So that plan, he broke the glass window also. That plan also failed, children. So third plan, he wants to go to restaurant and he wants to eat there. Yes, he had eaten already, but he told that there was no money. But they also did not give to police. They just sent him out. Fourth plan, what is fourth plan, children? He behaves as he was drunk, but police thought that he was a college boy and he did not arrest him. So all the 4 plans were failed, children. So he had planned 4 plans, but all the 4 plans were failed, and he did not go to jail, children. He did not go to prison. He did not go to Blackwell's Island. Blackwell's Island means prison, children. So he did not go there. So his plans were failed. So what happened? So what was his another plan? Did he plan any other thing? Or what happened to him? Let us see in the next video, children. Thank you for watching.